on, Joy fam? So before the video starts, I thought I'd let everyone know that I'm doing huge giveaways this summer, guys. They're just gonna keep getting better from here. I promise you, you do not want to miss out on them. If you guys didn't see my last live stream, Psycho Gaming Cat won the iPhone XR. I'm gonna link their channel down in the description so you guys can see it's 100% legit. All my giveaways are in random live streams that no one knows when will be happening, so you have to stay alert, stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the video. What is going on, Joy fam? It's your Joy Boy back at it again. Guys, we are at Zap Arcade today, and they have a brand new machine. Check this out. It is literally a giant claw machine, and I'm not kidding when I say giant. It's literally called the Giant, and it is huge. Like, I could probably be picked up by this crane if it wanted to pick me up for whatever reason. Don't make the crane angry. $2 a play. That is an arm and a leg just to operate this giant machinery. I feel like, you know, construction site people get to do this on the job. So I got 2 doll hairs. We're gonna be putting inside this machine. I want to test out the strength, see if it's even possible. They've got a bunch of gaming consoles in here. I'm liking the looks of this PS4 and maybe this Xbox One, or maybe even that Switch as well. So let's see. I don't know, I feel like just go straight for this PS4. It's in the best position. I'm gonna press the button. Here it goes. Oh my gosh. Right there. Oh my gosh, that was really close. That was actually really close. I want to try that again. I mean, at $2 a play, you gotta be a little careful here not to spend your money too quick. But I am just gonna throw a 5 in here. All right, there we go. All right, we got 2 tries. Let's go for this again. That was actually really close. Let's see. That's looking good. All right, right there. Come on, grab for daddy. No way. Oh my gosh, dude. I think it's possible. Dude, I think this might be possible. I'm not a big PS4 player. I'm an Xbox guy myself, but I don't mind making the switch, you know, like, we'll see. Here we go. Ooh, that's looking saucy. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh, guys, it's getting there. All right. Feeling out the claw, you kind of got to feel the joystick. It's one of my gifts of being Joystick. You really get to know what you're working with. Okay, here we go. That's looking good right there, guys. Dropping the giant claw. Here we go. Can I win it? Oh, that looks good. No way. Oh my god. Ooh, I don't know if this is good. It's kind of moving. Dude, it was all because of one ball. Literally this little red ball in there prevented me from getting a good grip on this PS4 here. That was close, but we're going to try again here. I'm going to use my angles. Look to the side. Looks good. Do a little walk around. Maybe a little over there. Alright, let's try that. Oh, come on now. Daddy needs a new PS4. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. Man, this hurts. Like, every time I lose, I'm losing $2 that I could have spent elsewhere. But I'm gonna risk it all, guys. I'm just gonna keep playing. It's how you win from these machines. You just gotta keep playing until it eventually pays out. You gotta pay to play, you gotta pay to win, and you gotta win to play. Does that make sense? I don't think so. Oh, right there. Oh my gosh, okay. I swear it had it for like 2 seconds. That's insane. I gotta keep playing for it. I'm not giving up. $2 thing. A $2 a play. It's getting spendy here, folks, but that ain't gonna stop me. That's looking tasty right there. I don't want to hit that switch. It's getting a little too close there. It's all about timing on this. Oh, perfect. Come on. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, look at it now though. Look at her now. She is in the air. If I win this right now, guys, this is gonna be one of my most iconic wins on my channel. I've never won a PS4 before. I've never owned a PS4. I've played PlayStation 2, which is all the OG 90s kids will remember that. But it's time for an upgrade. I think that upgrade is now. Come on, baby. PS4. Come on. Right there. Oh, it fell. Wait. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's up in the air again. Full send and put a $10 bill in. All right. 10 bucks in. We got 40 quarters in here. I want to think it's easier because it's leaning against the switch here, but only fate will tell. Oh, right there. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh. Man, this PS4 looks like it's made out of bricks or something. This claw does not like me. All right, I'm a little bit annoyed about it. I mean, I just wish you would be a little bit stronger. Uh-oh, we gotta push her. Oh my God. How did it almost pick up that when I've gotten better grabs on it? I'm confused. This is, yeah, I don't know, man. This PS4, it's being kind of bizarre. All right, there we go. I put the little swingy dingy on it to give it some extra flavor. Oh, there we go. Stay, please. No way. No way did we just win a PS4. Stay in there. Stay in there. Yes. No way. Are you freaking kidding me? Dude, we just won a PS4 from a freaking giant claw machine. No way. Oh my God. I cannot believe that I actually picked it up. Finally. Dude, what the? Oh, here it comes. No way. Oh my God, guys, here it is. That's so crazy. I have a PS4 now. What? I'm joining the PS4 gang. What up? Dude, I'm gonna open this right now, make sure it's like actually legit though. Oh my God, it is. Dude, that's insane. Holy crap, guys. That's not a bad deal. What did we spend? Probably like 50 bucks? Like probably 50 to 100 bucks easily, but well worth it. That is the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. It helps a lot. Leave a comment down below what you thought of the video. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Links are in the description, as always, as well as my cameraman's Brett's channel. Check that out as well. He does arcade videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.